Welcome back to my Dialysis cooking channel, and today I'm going to show you how to make this Peruvian ceviche. Please hit the like, subscribe, notification to not miss any new content. Thanks. All the ingredients are fresh. The fresher the better. Now these ingredients you can find on Amazon or at the local Latin American market. I did use Swai fish. You can use basa or catfish. Now I do use MSG, only a quarter teaspoon to give it that strong umami flavor, and a little bit of salt. Now we're going to boil this Peruvian corn called choclo. You can also use sweet corn. You're going to boil it until they become nice and soft. Remove from the heat and let it cool down because, again, this is a cold dish, not a hot one. Now we're going to set a bowl of water with a pinch of salt. This is where we're going to put the fish, just to let it marinate in there. Of course, wash your fish, chop it up, and then leave it in that bowl of water with salt. Again, this is only for flavoring. We're going to dump this water eventually. We can repeat the same but with the sliced onions. Water and a pinch of salt. Wash the onions and then let it soak in that salty water solution, just to remove that strong onion flavor. So make sure they're thinly sliced and let them soak in that salty water, which we will dump eventually. We don't need that salty water. Now we're going to measure out all our dry ingredients. The hinomoto, which is MSG, the salt, the limes. 4 to 5 limes is enough for this recipe. If you squeeze the lime too much, too hard, it will taste too bitter. You don't want the flavor of the skin. As for the celery, crush it before mincing it so you can get some of the juices out. So crush, then mince. Then you're going to set this aside because next we're going to actually dice up the ginger. Ginger, again, fresh as possible. You don't need that much. I use a lot of ginger in mine because I love ginger. Now, if you don't like it, you can use a lot less than what I'm about to use, which is about almost a tablespoon worth of it. The ginger will be used mixed with the fish and also to make the leche de tigre, which I'll show you in just a minute. Now we're dumping all the water from the fish and the onions because it's time to mix all the ingredients together. Now I made a mistake. Although I did put the lime with the fish as I was supposed to, you're supposed to put it in a deeper dish, like this one. We're going to mince up our washed cilantro, put it on top of our onions, along with the minced ginger and the fresh celery. And we also will be adding the other spices like the ají amarillo, the garlic paste, and the MSG and the salt. Now I'm showing you how to make leche de tigre, which is fish, ají amarillo, lime, and ginger. And blend it, and I messed up. I didn't add enough fluid, so add another lime and some water. Boom, you should be good to go. Like this. Once you're done blending, you're gonna mix everything together with the fish. And once you're done blending everything or mixing everything here, leave it in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. An hour is best. The colder, the better. But of course, the fresher, the better. And you will enjoy this with your family and friends. And I swear, you guys will want more. Thanks again for watching. See you next time.